sorry. Right. So just do let's talk to them. Let's get into the job. You're gonna draw this one. You draw that for them.
Hi guys,
We draw that
welcome back to another video. Okay, I'm just gonna skip the intro because it takes way more time. So I am going to make a screw. First thing you want to do is see. You want to do. First you do. Oh my god, I did a mistake. REC, because we all make mistakes. Which is should be sign. At sign. 15. Tab by 35. Enter. You sure have this would match that. Right, and then what you want to do is do a rectangle again. You can do any point, but you have to move. What is it? Oh, I know now. 40.
Or is it 50?
It's
35.
It's 50.
Yeah, 50.
Oh my god.
It's okay. Let's use tab and change it back now. We have to go forward.
Yeah.
Just use tab.
Okay. Then we do. And then we do 50. Tab E to 0. Enter. You sure of this? Now we do M. Now we do here, I think.
Look at the object. No, look at what you have drawn. Look where you want to fit.
Okay. Oh, so you wanna do it in the middle? No.
Yeah.
No. No. This is already. Yeah, I'm moving it. I'm moving it. And if it's not alright. Now. Alright, so now.
And the other part.
Now okay. Now we're gonna use polygon. POL for polygon. Now we use side 3. If it's 4 what? If it's 4 you erase it and press 3. And then you press enter. And then if you start here, like, let me show you an example.
You missed something, bro. You missed a step.
Oh!
Concentrate, man.
Now press enter. Oh, and don't forget, use edge. Always use it.
Yeah, you forget that step.
So here's a mistake. I did this one. So if it's like this, then you have to go that to that. Okay?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm doing. Alright, I'm doing POL. I did play. I'm more mistakes. Like sleeping. Now we press on the top.
Let's say this again. Concentrate.
I'm sorry.
So let's talk about concentrate now.
Always do edge again.
Yeah, you missed the edge, definitely.
And then you do that and that. And then you should be done.
Add some dimensions,
DIM, of course.
Change your layer. Okay. Change your layer. Change your dimension layer. Remember to put your dimension correctly.
I don't have any layers.
Okay, alright.
I'm broke. I don't have any layers.
It's a new drawing. Alright, it's okay, never mind.
That 50. That's correct. Wait, okay. The computer's like steaming. 45. That should be correct. We do that again. And that.
Oh, dimension is the lower part. That's up there, bro. I will dimension that's down here. Down here instead of up top.
Kind of that. You're really smart. Now you go on different.
Yeah, that should be good. But you need
okay.
You change the girl. We need to create a layer for the outline.
Yeah, this is just your new drawing.
It's okay. You don't okay, but you didn't really need to
Yeah, so I didn't need you to do that.
Yeah, it's okay. Never mind.
Anyways, I hope you enjoyed today's video. You make sure you subscribe and like that bell. Bye!